Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Invest and Thrive. I'm so glad you're here because today we will start to invest $115 a week. This is week 1. How it will work. In this video I will say what I think is worth investing this week. Then I will upload another video with what I have invested in and why. So if you're ready to build a smart, long-term portfolio with a community of curious minds, grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive in, shall we? I will start with stocks and ETFs and I choose 3. The first one is SPDR S&P 500 ETF SPY from the USA market. Facts: SPY tracks the S&P 500 index, the 500 biggest publicly traded companies in the US. It's like owning a little piece of Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all in one. Current price, $526.14 as of this week. Why I like SPY. SPY gives you immediate exposure to the top 500 U.S. companies, tech giants like Apple and Microsoft, financial firms like JP Morgan, consumer brands like Coca-Cola, it's all in there. It's also the most traded ETF in the world, so liquidity is never a concern. The diversification reduces risk. Even if one sector like tech pulls back, gains in others like energy or healthcare often offset it. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered about 9 to 10% annually over the long term, making SPY a strong foundational piece for any portfolio. Analyst expectations. Several major analysts are still optimistic. Oppenheimer forecasts a 7 to 10% gain for SPY in the next 12 months, citing healthy U.S. consumer demand and tech innovation. Goldman Sachs recently reiterated its end-of-year S&P 500 target at 5,500, which would mean solid upside from current levels. Earnings revisions for Q2 are starting to trend upward, especially in AI-heavy sectors. There's a strong narrative around AI, cloud infrastructure, and productivity software leading U.S. growth, and SPY benefits from this directly. Technical analysis. In the last 3 months, SPY has been trading in a tight ascending channel, respecting both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. The ETF dipped in early March due to inflation concerns but found support at $500, a key psychological level. Right now, it's hovering around $526, just above the 200-day MA, which historically acts as a bullish support zone. RSI Relative Strength Index is at 58, suggesting there's still room to run before it becomes overbought. If SPY holds above $525, many technical traders see it pushing toward the $550 range over the next few months. The second one is VanEck Gold Miners ETF GDX, a hedge play. Facts: gold miners are back again. Why? Geopolitical instability, inflation, and global uncertainty are driving gold demand. Current price, $50.92 as of this week. Why I like GDX. In times of uncertainty like we're seeing now with geopolitical conflicts, inflation concerns, and central bank gold buying, investors look for safe havens. GDX benefits from rising gold prices but with the added upside of operational profits from miners. It's also more affordable than gold itself, making it beginner-friendly. Analyst expectations. Analysts from JP Morgan and RBC Capital Markets recently raised their 12-month price targets for GDX to around $54 to $56. Assuming gold continues to push above $2,400 per oz. Bank of America even forecasted gold to reach $3,000 in 2025, which would be huge for GDX. Miners like Newmont and Barrick Gold, both major holdings in the ETF, have seen upgraded earnings estimates due to higher gold prices and improved cost controls. Technical analysis. GDX broke through strong resistance at $45 in March and is now targeting the $52 zone. The 50-day moving average recently crossed above the 200-day, a bullish golden cross pattern. Volume is up significantly, and RSI sits near 63, indicating momentum but still room before it's overbought. I wanted something close to home for my Eastern European watchers. For my third stock, and this is Banca Transilvania, TLV. The largest bank in Romania. Facts: Banca Transilvania is Romania's largest bank and a key pillar of the local economy. It's a strong play for regional growth and stability, especially if you're looking to diversify outside the US and Western Europe. Current price: 28 Romanian lei, around $5.40. Why I like TLV. Dominant position in Romania's banking sector, 20% plus market share. Resilient performance even during regional volatility. Regular dividends and strong payout ratios. Smart digitalization strategy, BT Pay and online services are driving user growth. Backed by institutional confidence. Major funds hold it as a local anchor. Analyst expectations. Analysts from BRK Financial Group, Tradeville, and Wood & Company project 10 to 15% stock appreciation over the next 12 months. 2024 to 2025 earnings forecasts show continued net income growth and improving ROE. Potential upside if Romania joins OECD or adopts the euro down the line. Technical analysis, as of April 2025. Trend. Strong support around 24.5 Romanian lei, with resistance at 27.2 Romanian lei. Currently trading within an upward channel, respecting higher lows. 50-day MA is well above the 200-day MA. A bullish trend. RSI around 61. Momentum is positive but not overheated. Now passing to the crypto. The crypto that I am thinking in buying is BlockDAG. What it is? According to their site BDAG, it's a vision of a decentralized future where transactions are fast, secure, and accessible to everyone. By merging Bitcoin's security and decentralization with the speed and scalability of directed acyclic graph (DAG) technology, BlockDAG sets a new standard for blockchain networks. It's a decentralized acyclic graph, which means transactions don't wait in line, they run in parallel, making it crazy fast and scalable. Why I like it? Beside of the utility that unlike traditional blockchains, DGs can handle high-volume micro-transactions without bottlenecks, I like the team, the fact they will have an external audit. That they were able to respect the plan from the beginning of the program. I also like the community and the fact that they managed to raise already $215.16 million. The price with the promotion they are having in regard to the launch price are also interesting. During Easter the price is $0.0031 and the launch price is estimated at 5 cents. Let me know if you've ever invested in DG or if there's another DG-based project you're excited about. Now this is where it gets personal as we are going toward collectibles, and right now that's a first edition, first print, signed copy of a rising author. Book pick Tomorrow and Tomorrow and Tomorrow by Gabrielle Zevin. Why? It's critically acclaimed, a bestseller, and already optioned for film adaptation. Zevin has a solid career behind her, and this novel is likely to be her breakout into literary legend status. Publisher, Alfred A. Knopf, first edition published July 5, 2022. What to look for? First edition stated and a number line with the 1. No bestseller blurbs on the dust jacket. Price, signed first edition available around $100 to $300. The first edition first print is the most expensive and you have to be careful as there are many first editions. Potential: if this book wins a major prize or the film blows up, these editions could double or triple in value. Books are like art, you don't just invest, you enjoy them, so make sure before deciding if buying it you read a little about the author and about the book. So if you have any idea of a nice book, please let me know. All these videos are suggestion made based on the info available on April 20th, 2025, so please make your own research and tell me what else you find out. It can be on the products I spoke or on new ones that will be analyzed in the next episodes. Let me know in the comments, would you lean more toward crypto or stocks? Any collectibles you're excited about? This is week 1, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing updates on my portfolio every week, what went up, what went sideways, and how I'm adjusting. This is a journey we're on together. See you next time on Easy Invest and Thrive.